Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to draw graphics on a web page. Canvas is a great tool to help us. The canvas element, this element is only a container for graphics. We must use JavaScript here to draw actual graphics. So a canvas is a rectangular area on an HTML page. The markup looks like this. So here the width of my canvas is 1200 and height is 900. So this is the area of my canvas. Here you see that they do not go. This is the limit. Okay. So as I said, all drawing on the HTML canvas must be done in JavaScript by JavaScript. First of all, we must find canvas element. So to find the canvas element, we do get element by ID. Use this method. Secondly, we need to draw object for the canvas as get context as an object with properties and methods for drawing. This here you see const number points is equal to 700. It has the number of my points. My points are boxes actually, and the number of these boxes is 700. Okay. Then I created a variable which name is points. It is an array in which I'm going to push all my points. The second variable is colors. It is an array in which I have five colors. Now after that I did for loop. Let I is equal to 0, I is less than number points, so I is less than 700, then I plus plus. So points dot push. Now I have some properties for each box, and which I push into my points. This properties is x, y with heat, x delta, y delta, color. This is for one box, and when I have some value here, it goes to points. So I give some value, and it has x, y with heat, x delta, y delta, color, and when it has one of them, it goes to points. So x as my x and y are my coordinates. X as math.random times canvas.width. As you know, math.random as a number, as a random number between 0 and 1. So I multiply it by canvas.width, so it will not bigger than 1200. So as you know from math, if we multiply a number with a number from 0 to 1, we'll get less number. So a little less number than we had. We did the same thing with y. Here as we multiplied it by canvas.height, so 900. The width of my element of my box, so of my box is math.random times 20. and x delta and y delta are equal. So it is the, so let's say it is the speed to understand it easier. It is, let's say it is the speed. So if I write here 5 and here 5, we will get something. Okay, here I have to see it. Sorry. Let's write 10. As you see, their speed is very fast. Okay, colors. Here I wanted to randomly choose one of these colors, so I did math.random times colors.length. Again, I multiplied this by math.random to get smaller number than the length of my array, and here I wrote math.floor because I wanted to be an integer, not a random number, but random but not random but integer. No. So we are going to draw on canvas. That I made a function draw box. So it took as an argument point. So as you know, my context as an object here. Now I need to begin my path, and I draw a rectangle, so which has x, y coordinates, and it also has width and height, and I wanted to fill it with color, with one of these colors from here, random color, and then I closed my path. Then I again made a function, draw function. First of all, I cleared my initial canvas. So if I do not clear it, see what happens. So please look here. You see what's going on? It's really interesting, yeah, but that was not our homework. Okay, that's why I have to clear it to get this. Now so we do for each loop here, and we check if our x of our point plus point dot x delta, which is the step how much it goes. For example, if our actual x is 0 and x delta is 3, then x plus x delta will give us 3. So the next position of our point will be 3. If this is greater than canvas.width minus point.width, so canvas width is 1200 and our width is random, yeah. However, it is less than canvas width. If it is greater than this, if it is greater than canvas width minus point.width, or point.x plus point x delta as less than 0, then point.x delta is equal to minus point.x delta. This part gives us this. So if I cannot manage, let's here write not 10 but 1 to show you what I want to see. So as you see, when we touch to wall, it goes to the opposite direction. Okay, so when we hit to the wall, we will get opposite direction. That's why we have here minus. Okay, the same as here. Oh, this part is for heat, yeah. Okay, if point.y plus point.y delta is greater than canvas.heat minus point.heat or point.y, okay, this as not exactly but almost this part. It's about width, this part is about heat. So again, we change the direction by this line. Here point.x plus equal point.x delta, point.y plus equal point.y delta. We as I said, we add the step this to our x to get another position. Okay, our initial position, if it is 0, it will become, it is 1, it will become 1. If it is 1, it will become 2. If it is 2, it will become 3. That's why it is so slowly. That's why it is so slow, but when we change it by 3, we will get 0, 3, 6, 9, it will go faster. And this part is the part which helps us to animate all these things. So this is the not main, but it is a really important part for animating our figures. Okay, that's all for today, but I want to make the speed higher, so it is not interesting by 1. 7, and we will get okay, this fast. That's fun. But also I like this part when we do not clear the canvas. I like it when we do not clear. Where is it? I don't. It is here. So it's really interesting. Yeah, it's fun. I want to look at it again and again. It's really relaxing. So okay, it's not our homework. Okay. Thank you very much for attention. I hope you enjoy it because it is really enjoyable to look at this. Not at this, but also at this. Thank you. See you again.